How's everybody doing today? Got a brand new home workout for you. This one starts with 5 minutes of jump rope or 5 minutes of shadow boxing. Then once you complete that, we're going to do 4 3-minute rounds with 15-second intervals with a 1-minute rest in between each round. Your first round is going to consist of shadow boxing for the 15 seconds, then push-ups for 15. Back up, shadow box, 15, sit-ups, shadow box for 15, and then squats. Bell will ring, you'll take a 1-minute rest, moving on to round 2. Shadow box, then you're going to do diamond push-ups. To the chest, down, up, all the way up. Then you're going to shadow box. Then you're going to drop, and you're going to give me some flutter kicks. Keep your legs straight, and kick them out. Then pop up, shadow box, and then we're going to do another 15 seconds of lunges. Bell ring, you'll take a 1-minute rest. Then we're going to go to round 3. Round 3 is shadow box 15 seconds. Then we're going to do archer push-ups. Spread your arms like so. Lean to one side, stretching that left arm out, back up, back out, just like you're pulling a bowstring. Out. Archer push-ups. Then we're going to shadow box. Then we're going to do wipers. Lie down on the ground, arms your sides. Try to get your feet as close to 90 degrees as you can. And you're doing wipers, 15 seconds. Then you're going to pop up, shadow box, 15. And then we're going to do 15 seconds of jump squats. Bell rings. 1-minute rest. Then round 4 starts with shadow boxing. Then we're going to do wide push-ups. Wide, out here. All the way up. Get them wide. Then we're going to shadow box. Followed by sit up to get ups. And down. And up. 1, 2, and up, and up. Finish with shadow boxing, and then 15 seconds of side lunges. Lean out, back, out, back, out, back. Bell rings, and that will be number 4. Take a break. And then I want you to do 60 jumping jacks, 50 high knees, 40 shuffle punches, 30 mountain climbers, 20 hollow rocks, and 10 burpees to finish. If you want to cool down with another round of shadow boxing, that'd be great. Or since it's a great day today, go out for a run. Stay calm, and I want you guys to keep training on. Out.